Okay, here, so a quick look at the Ecobubble 10 kilo washer I've got here, the Samsung. This one, as you can see, is a slightly different one to one I've had before. And its model number is WW10N, basically. Nothing fancy about the drum, pretty standard, all that. Let's see, and I've just picked this up off Facebook and it absolutely stinks. So you can see the state on it. It's not great, but let's have a look. Power on. Yep, it's here. And we're straight into our standard cycles. You can see it's got all your usual cycles. Just remember, you're going to want Eco Drum Clean every so often. I'm going to have to do it on this one because it's not looking too good. And then your symbols up here, which essentially that just means it's going to dispense your detergent in. Number 2 is detergent. Then it's going to go into a rinse mode and then a spin. And then over here we got the temperatures, right? So if we press the temperature, in this case you can't change it, right? That's a bad example, but let's do 15-minute quick wash. Let's see if we do the delay end and just press up to that, and so that'll finish at that time. If you do the temperature, you can toggle through by just tapping that. It's very straightforward. They only go up to certain ones, and make sure you check the weight for each wash, because if you overdo it you're going to kill the drum. Rinse cycles, nice. On this one you can see how many you've got, up to 5, which is pretty cool. And again, toggle through to spin. You can see to get it to no spin, you just press it until it goes dark. It's not a no spin icon on there, it's just it goes dark. But when there is a spin, the icon is there, or the symbol is there. So just notice that. No spin on this machine. Press it, go through to 1400, or whichever is the top one of the cycle, because then it won't go through. And then, yeah. And then the options. Now, these would be only available on certain washes anyway. If I press that to come off, if you notice, because I've changed the temperature, the 15-minute quick wash has actually doubled in time, but that's fine. The nice thing on this machine is all the symbols are explained, right? So you've got a bubble soak, easy iron, smart control. I don't know why I pressed it, but that then connects up with your phone. I don't really like those much on these machines, but whatever. Now also, just to note this one down here, if you long press these two, you go into child mode and that'll turn. So your children can't turn the dial, but you can't change anything either. So let's long press. There, you hear it lock and you see the icon. This is now in child mode. So, okay, if it's already started, then that won't change anything, but at the moment it can. Still, it's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? Because you've got 2 lock icons, so just be aware of that. So to go into child mode, long press on these 2 buttons with the icon, and that actually locks it and puts it into child mode. To turn the lock off, long press here again, but it stays in child mode. And to come out of child mode, long press and you're out. A little bit confusing, I know. You can hear the other machine I've got, the actual one I use over there, so apologies for the noise. If you want this machine to get into a boil wash, to do a hot cycle, come over to cotton, and then you could get it up into the 90s. So then you can really clean out the drum, which I'll have to do at some point, and I'll do a video on that. You can see, these people have left it. It's got a lot of mold in there. Maybe you can't see, but it's really not nice. And if I open the drawer, again, this needs a good clean. Take the drawer out, just press the tab down. 2, detergent, any additives, and then pre-wash is the 1 over here. You have to give that a good clean. Get it back in, just press the tab down at the back and slide it. So again, cycle selector, pretty straightforward. You can pause it, but as far as I know you can't add anything, so that's a bit of a downer. If you want to turn the sound off, just a long press. So if you look down here, you've got your drain hose. You can see the hose in there, and you'll want to take out and do that filter as well to keep it clean. It's pretty good for this machine. It explains a lot, it's very clear, unlike some of their others. Remember, generally any of these, where you see these, as you can see up here, it says 3 seconds. If you see that icon off the panel, hold. Now check out my other videos on the channel on this machine for more, and other Samsung washers like it, also for tips and tricks of washing machines. I've got links down below if you'd like to support the channel. Check those out, and I'll see you soon. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.